Hello collectors, today we're opening up a 151 and the Japanese pack. Now I hope you guys liked yesterday's video. I tried something new. I had to try it. Somebody said that they wouldn't mind seeing a one-piece pack opening, so I gave it a shot. So let's get to her. And I did the one from the back trick. That light. Yeah, that's how I have to hold it. And ooh, there's a hit. Another AR for the binder. Whew. Now that's a pull. So I'll set that off up there. Now we're gonna go with the 151 English. I'm still debating on trying to do the Japanese set. Here's the QR code, guys. I could get a box of the Japanese. I just don't know how much it'd cost with the prices of things right now. Basic Energy, Magmar, Bellsprout, Horsey, Nidoran, Paris, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Parasect, sorry, Rhydon Reverse, yep, Reverse Hollow. Oh, Parasect was Reverse Hollow. Huh. Articuno Hollow. I'm only missing 3 cards, and those 3 are not the 3 I'm missing. Just 3 cards. I'm missing 3 to complete the master set. And I know that the chance of me pulling the last 3 cards are very, very slim. I think it's just the thrill of actually trying. And if I succeed, like, it's that much more awesome. But the fact that it's Charizard SIR, Bulbasaur SIR, and Giovanni's Charisma while he's holding the Pokeball, standing up, those 3, it's, yeah, 3 cards to go. And I just don't know if I'm ever gonna pull them. Giovanni Charisma I could probably buy or trade for, which wouldn't be too bad. Charizard, that one, I don't think anybody will get rid of that one. Everybody wants it. Nobody wants to sell it. I gotta go to a big city and try. But thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the support, all the likes, all the comments, and for always being a part of this. So from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun. Enjoy your time. Bye, guys.